If you want to remove a payment method from Monster 2026, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Monster 2026 website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Payment Method section in your account menu. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings area. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In Account Settings, find the option labeled Payment Methods or Similar. Click on it to view all the payment methods currently linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it, such as Remove or Delete. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the removal process. After following these steps, your payment method should be successfully removed from Monster 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.